For your 3D printing, the essential tool I use the most besides this is actually a spray bottle. For any kind of tools, anything that I use, I fill it up with alcohol and other products if you want. If you're an artist, you can put tinner, other stuff, but make sure you're not spraying your eyes with it, all right? If you put water, it's perfect for mist in hot days. I use the spray bottle a lot for 3D printing a lot. So the thing is, I like to remove I put alcohol on this one, and just a hold of a button, it does a lot of spray. And then what you need to do is scrub some of it down. I do 3D printing with this. I use this so much for pretty much all my products in there. Really good. I like it so far. So I'm going to continue using it. And not only that, you can use this for a spray bottle on hot days. Just put in your proper water, of course. Right now, like I said, I use it for a lot of hobby, a lot of areas. My kids use this to brush their hair. They put in their chemicals and other stuff. They have tanglements. For any beautician that are using on the market, they're going out there, this is perfect. And like I said, not that much air that you need to push or force to get the actual spray out. See, one squeeze and it comes a lot out. So very simple, like the spray bottle. It's a little scratchy here and there. I dropped it a couple of times, but it took its beating. Very simple, easy to use.